Hello everyone, today's Sunday, August 2nd, 2020. Me and Cody's back over here at the pond we was at last week. We're going to try to do a fishing video, but today we're going to be using the GoPro Hero 7 Silver. We're going to curious to see how the footage is going to be. So the only footage you're going to see using the handheld camera is what's being done right now. The rest of it will all be from the GoPro. So really curious to see how this is going to look, see what kind of quality it is, and just see how it is filming hands-free. So if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Everybody else returning, thank you so much for your support. It's greatly appreciated. Let's get to fishing. All right, first cast using the filming with the new GoPro, so we're gonna see how it goes. Don't know if we'll have any luck or not. We're just out here more or less seeing how the view is, make sure we more or less just learning it really. Had quite a bit of rain over here last few days. I figured it'd be muddy, but luckily it's clear, so hopefully we'll have some good luck. Oh, Cody hooked into something, got off. I think I keep dragging bottom. If I can say this, I could get used to this. No hands filming. Sorry for the wind. Wasn't no wind this morning, then all of a sudden decided to pick up. Hopefully this footage will be halfway decent. I'm just gonna throw a line here for a little while and just see if we can hook up anything. This pond has some nice crappie. Oh, Cody's got something. Oh, got him a little crappie. Just using that crappie minnow was using the other day. Only bad thing is I can't see exactly what we're filming until we get home. He's got his phone put up. See if I can hook into one. That's one. But anyway, this pond's got some nice bass in it, nice sized bluegill. As you've seen last week, nice sized crappie. And there's some big channels in here. We'll come over here some night and do some nighttime or evening cat fishing. Thing to catch the bluegills over here is you gotta, oh, look at that. I don't know if you caught that or not. There's a jumper. Oh. Got a bass. Small one, but hey, it's a bass. First bass of the year. I'll get him off here, throw him back in. So Cody's one crappie and I've one bass. So I'll turn him back on here in a little bit. Well, still Cody one crappie. And I still got one bass, that's it. Just aren't hitting. Cody's trying a different lure on there. I think he's using a yum worm on there. Curious to get home and see exactly how this footage is. Hopefully it's good enough where we can get it put up on YouTube later today. So we're gonna call it a wrap. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you all in the next video. Take care.